Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am at the Montreal Exporail, ahead of the show, the model train show that's coming up this weekend on the 17th and 18th of August. And here it is, August 13th, 2024. So I went here today to renew my membership. So for $60, $62, something like that, I was able to get a card that'll allow me to come in here anytime I want when it's open for the entire year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick video walking around the main pavilion, and we'll see what we can see. At about 2 o'clock, no, it's about 1 o'clock p.m. And check this out. You notice that it's on skids. So this is for winters. This is a horse car modified for the snow of Montreal or Quebec City or something like that. Interesting to see how people traveled 150 years ago. Chemin de fer à passagers de la Cité de Montréal. So that's Montreal. Here we have an omnibus, like a giant stagecoach basically from the Old West. This is how people got around in the cities in the 1850s and 60s in the summer. Because in the winter they would probably have skids. Montreal City Passenger Railway. These have wheels, they don't have rail, they don't have flanged wheels. I like this exhibit because here they have like the old posts like you'd see on a city street. You even have the name of the street. Papineau, an old Papineau street sign with probably a streetcar sign as well, a little call box and everything. Really cool. So let's go up the first aisle. This one here has a section of rail in it, and it's kind of like tiles, like in old Montreal. Number 350. Trying to find out what type of vehicle it is. So this is from St. Louis, Missouri, I think. Again, this is the rocket, it has a name. And this is the old symbol. So I'll focus on this side. Luckily there's not too many people here today, so I have a chance to narrate and walk through here almost untouched. $2.74. This is the Montreal Street Railway. Notice these single truck, doesn't swivel or anything. So this is also an American car. I'm allowed? No, I'm not allowed to be on it. What a shame. Hard to see inside though. This one you can see in. This one's well done. It's got a lot of lighting and everything. 1046. This might be a Brill. This one will allow you in. You can't get in, but you can see inside. Here's the old fare boxes. I swear the new look buses have similar boxes too. Really cool. You have to watch your step. Now these had swiveling trucks. There's four axle trucks here on this. And here's the old Dumontang trains. So cool to see these again. So these are the box cabs. These are the General Electric box cabs. They would have been built in Erie, Pennsylvania, most likely. And they were running from 1916, I believe, when the Mountain Royal Tunnel first opened. The Mountain Royal Tunnel is now currently still under construction. Not slated to open until 2025. And then we have here the Montreal Metro MR63. And this is the cab coach. I believe it's painted the way it would have been delivered back in the early 60s before Expo 67. These are from Bombardier. And I'll go inside. I do have a previous video where I did go inside these. Looks great. Yeah, just like I remember. Yeah. Would have ridden on these a lot as a kid in the 80s. And I'm just going to go downstairs and conclude this first section. Yeah, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.